just need to head up to the barn and check something. It's starting to get cold around here now. The past couple of weeks have been very, very busy. For those of you that don't know, my wife runs an Etsy business. People that say you can't do well on Etsy just don't know what they're doing. If you make handmade goods, Christmas time is a busy time. It is our busiest time, but we're done. The Christmas rush is over. Everything's out. And I'll tell you this, during the Christmas rush, there's no time. There's no time for anything. 12, 14 hours a day, some days 16. A lot of times I'm still in the shop at 9:30 in the evening. And anything that is not essential just gets put on the back burner. But we're done that now, and now we can start cleaning up some little projects. So one thing I want to do is the lights in this barn are terrible. This one's dead, but they are these little LEDs wrapped. I don't know if you'll tell it, but it's a very blue light, but it's not bright in here. Even during the daytime, it's dark in here. If you ever want to do anything, there's no way you could do work in here. It's way too dark. Checked out a product Princess Auto has, and that's those 3-panel lights. These guys right here. They're definitely a lot brighter than all the other ones, so I ended up buying a whole bunch of them. I got them on sale. I tried the one just to double check it. Works great. So we're gonna swap all these out, but the issue I have is that I don't have any way to get up that high. So my plan is to go buy a 12-foot step ladder today, which should give me 16 feet of reach, but I need to know how high this actually is. All right, well, that's only 12 foot 8 inches. So I think a 12-foot high ladder should be perfect. The weather this year has been incredibly mild. It's only -3 Celsius right now. That's weird. Another product of the rush is I eat like garbage. Almost every single meal, a vast majority of our meals are fast food and takeout. It's not good. I also stopped trimming my beard when we're so busy. Another issue I ran into is some of these lights in the shop have died. I've got a dead one right there and a dead one right there. The old step ladder is gonna work great for this. Ooh, brand new ladder. I'm not even near the end of it, and I can touch the ceiling with my head. Well, that's handy. So I'm gonna swap these out. I picked these up, I don't know where I put them. And I've got all those ones for the barn down there. Where did I put those other lights? Where are those lights? Ah, there they go. Also picked up a whole bunch of airline delivery kits so I can set those things up. Well, let's get these suckers put up first. Now I just want to check that I do have power. We have power there. Now I'm a little concerned because this one is 6,500 Kelvin. This one is 4,000 Kelvin. So I don't know what that's gonna be like, but we'll find out. Oh my, that is a lot different color. It's a better color, but it is different. Ha 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 ha. That's a noticeable difference in color temperature. I'm not sure how well this shows up in the camera, but this is 4,000 Kelvin. These are 6,500. Much cooler light, much warmer light. You can even see that on the wall there. Now I actually like the warmer light better, but each one of those lights that I got, those are from Princess Auto as well. They're 150 bucks a piece. And if I want everything to match, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a lot of money. What is that? 900 bucks? Anyways, I'm gonna leave this for now. The one thing is if I did switch out all the ones in the front, I could save all the ones that are still good and just use them for the back. The back is all the same as well. I don't know what this camera's picking up, but this feels like a warm living room light. But these also spread out more. I feel like this is more straight down and this is just more broad. So maybe the best thing to do is to find out where my dad bought these from. Just keep them the same. So some of these might be a little difficult to get at, just because I've got so much stuff in the way. That's gonna be hard to get at. I've got the old 32 Model A with the rumble seat. Upcoming project maybe. This one here's trying. Just not good enough. One-handed while holding a camera. That's fun. Wow. Now that is bright. That's super bright. Let's peel this film. Oh my goodness, those are bright. Wow, okay. Let's go like that. I like those. Those are pretty good. Let's go do those two. All right, let me see if you can see a difference. I like how I can point this one right there. That is so much brighter. I like it. Alrighty. I like that. Oh, so close. That's a terrible sound. That is so much better. That is incredible. The numbers on this upgrade, these ones I'm replacing, these are 20 watt, 6,000 Kelvin color temperature, and they're 1,700 lumens. These are 60 watts, 6,000 lumens, and a color temperature of 5,000. So way more light and a softer, warmer light. This one busted when I was taking it apart. You know, I can tell you very assuredly that this would be an amazing upgrade to a garage if you just had smaller bulbs. I like the fact that you can angle the panels a bit. Like over in that corner, I angled that one so I hit the light with stairs. Those stairs were never that bright before. So that is super duper handy. Now I'm gonna have to move the snowmobiles to get that one done. And then the only other one I can't do right now is above the Model A. I did buy some spares as well, so that if these die, I can just swap them out. But look at that, that is incredible. This is so much better. You could actually work in here now. If you had a little maintenance to do on the Bobcat or whatever, there is so much more light. I'm super stoked actually. Little things, you know? It's the little things in life. Over here where I've got my firewood area, I got a lot more light now. My little log splitter. This was my forging press. I've converted it back to being a log splitter for the time being. Bunch of cherry. Oh, I dig this a lot. This is nice. I still want to get that one done. Man, those lights have made a big difference. If you have regular bulbs in your garage at home, honestly, I think those things would be a significant upgrade. And like I said, just the ability to move those panels around, I just think they're fantastic. I think they're great. I want to thank Princess Auto for sponsoring this video. And it's nice to get that little project checked off the to-do list. Anyways, that's kind of where this is at. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Hopefully these holidays are going well for you. Thanksgiving and getting ready for Christmas. I just hope you guys are doing fantastic, and I wish you all the best. I don't think this will be my last video before Christmas, but I just hope you guys are having a great holiday season. Cheers.